All right, we got an Indian hair package at the door, y'all. Let's go ahead and get this and see what we got. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing another Indian hair unboxing from India. Package got shipped through DHL. So I'm just gonna do another unboxing. It's probably gonna take me a minute to actually get through this box because literally they be taping up this box a lot. And if you guys get like packages from DHL, from India through DHL, and they're like the envelope packages, they literally tape around it like 1,000 times, and I mean, it's literally a mess. So I'm gonna try to get this open. So some updates going on at the salon. As you guys know, I probably said it in a previous video already as well, I am not taking any more orders, wholesale people for orders. Like, I've had beyond an abundance of people contact me for wholesale. So those of you who are in there already, that's it. I'm not really taking anybody else. It's just too much work basically is what it is. So get these package open so I can show you guys this Indian hair that I just received, and I have more and more packages coming. September is wig month for me, so I have so much hair coming so I can get ready for wig month, okay you guys? So let's see, this one is a 14-inch wavy. This one's pretty. Feels real good actually. I feel like when I get hair, obviously the shorter bundles are gonna feel slightly better than the longer bundles, and I say that because shorter hair hasn't been on the person's head as long, if that makes sense, you guys. So, you know, it's gonna take somebody, you know, in India, I'm just gonna round about a number, maybe 2 years to grow their hair out full enough to be this length. Maybe, I'm just gonna say a number. But if it's like a 30-inch bundle, it may have taken them like 5 years to grow their hair out, 6 years, meaning their hair has been on their hair and on their head longer, in the elements longer, maybe flat ironed more. I mean, who knows what they're doing with their hair before we get it, but it's on the weft and it feels amazing. So amazing. So this is a 14-inch wavy bundle of Indian hair, and this is exactly the way I get it, you guys. I'm literally taking it out the package now. This is a 22-inch wavy. Yeah, wavy. I would say that Indian wavy hair is my most popular texture. Here is a 22-inch Indian natural wavy bundle. Very bouncy, feels so good, you guys. I've shipped out so much Indian hair. I'm in love with it. No comparison, just no comparison. So that one's a 22. Let me keep these separated so I know what lengths are what. So what I do when I get the hair, you guys, let's see, this is another 14. I will wash the hair and that's it. Let it air dry and that's it. I literally ship it out to you guys. So if anybody wanted to know, you know, the process, sometimes companies will literally just ship it to you the way that they receive it, which is fine. That's not a problem either. I've done that before as well. Some people don't want to wait for the hair to be, you know, shampoo, conditioned, and air dried overnight, but I would say, let's see, this is an 18-inch wavy hair. Always wash the hair anyway before you install it. That's just hands down, regardless of what hair you purchase. This one's a 18-inch wavy. This one looks like a little bit lighter of a brown. Little bit lighter, just slightly. Very beautiful. 18-inch natural wavy hair, raw Indian, beautiful. I'm in love, I'm in love. Every time I order hair, I am just so fascinated with it every single time I get it, because even though I know what it's probably gonna look like, there's always something, you know, slightly different about it. So that's the reason why I always go through the hair. I look at the hair, make sure I check the length, make sure I check the texture. And see, this is an 18-inch bundle as well, but when I run my fingers through it, I can definitely tell, I feel a little bit of texture, just slight, very little texture compared to the other 18-inch bundle I just showed you. This one's like super soft, like they never flat iron their hair, you know what I mean? And like this one, I can definitely, I feel a little bit of texture in there, which is not a problem. It's not a problem, but I can definitely feel it. So like when I go and I go through my vendors, I run my fingers through the hair. I make sure, you know, the hair is what it's supposed to look like. When I wash it, I make sure there's no dyes running from it or anything like that. And I have not received any hair with any dyes running from it, unless I order from China. Like I never order from China anymore, but when I was getting vendors and stuff like that from China, every now and again I'll get some bundles where color is literally coming out of the hair, especially if I like bleach it or anything. Oh yeah, like I don't even like it. But this one's an 18, really like it. What else I got? Oh, I got some closures this time as well. What is this? 18-inch 5x5 natural wavy closure. Here it is, right out the package. This is what it looks like. Here's the other side. And I only, for my Indian hair vendor, I only do transparent lace. 5x5. This one has a little bit of texture to it as well. This closure, definitely. That one's nice. What else I got? What else I got? I think I got all wavy hair in this package, and then I got two 16-inch closures and two 18-inch closures as well. Let me show you a 16-inch. And I think I only ordered the 14-inch bundles, 18-inch bundles, and 22-inch bundles as well. So let me show you guys. This is a 16-inch 5x5. This is what it looks like right out the package. This one has a little bit of texture as well. 5x5 lace closure, transparent lace. This is what the hairline is looking like. Basic, you know, it's nothing crazy about the hairline right now. It just kind of looks basic, like it normally would. All right, so that is that. Let me show you these 22-inch bundles. You see, these are 18. I didn't receive a lot of hair in this shipment, but my next shipment is actually going to be much bigger than this one. All right, it's working. And these are 22, so I have several 22-inch bundles. Here's one. This one's beautiful, bouncy. Ugh. I just love it, love it, love it. 22 inches. 22 inches. Back up so you guys can see. It is literally almost as long as my arm. Single drawn hair, not double drawn. And if you guys know what single drawn hair is, it's hair that is thicker at the top and naturally comes down to a thinner point at the bottom. Double drawn hair is hair that is thick at the top and it gradually stays thick all the way to the ends. So I only buy single drawn hair. It's more natural when you install it. Not that I can't order it double drawn. I definitely can if somebody wanted to request or custom order some lengths that are double drawn all the way down to the ends. In one case that you might do that is if you order like 30 inches or longer, you kind of want to make sure that it's thick all the way down to the ends. So maybe in that case you might want to order double drawn, but other than that, I just want my insoles to look natural. This is another 22-inch bundle. So this is how two different bundles, 22-inch, look side by side. Beautiful. Definitely not the same. They will come slightly different, but amazing hair, you guys. Raw Indian hair is a must. This is how my wefts are on here. All right. Pass those two bundles. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I'm about to make some wigs and put them on my website. Well, they won't be on my website until September 1st, when my wig month is officially started, and the new prices will be on there September 1st as well. This is a 14-inch bundle. Bomb. This one's a little bit lighter of a brown. Most of the Indian hair that I get, it's either going to be a natural dark brown or a little bit lighter. I do sometimes get like jet black, like rare, like it's rare, but I do get them. I do get them often, and I try to, you know, color match as best as possible, because I would hate for somebody to get a super light bundle with light ends and everything with the jet black bundle, and they're forced to color the hair some kind of way. So I try my absolute best to give you guys matching textures and things like that. So that's that bundle. Beautiful. All right. So that's pretty much it, you guys. I just wanted to give you guys a look-see of how raw Indian hair comes. You guys know I do unboxings all the time because I want to give you a true insight of the hair that I receive from my vendor, and I get that hair out to you guys when you guys order from me. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you want more videos like this one or more information on raw Indian hair, definitely subscribe to my channel, you guys. I'm coming with way more information. I am actually going to be trying out vendors for you guys. I will get hair from other vendors other than mine, and I will test them out. I will be making wigs, I will be coloring them, washing them, everything on camera so you guys can see, and then I will put that vendor information below so you guys can get them. I have been doing my research on getting vendors for you guys so you guys can have some sort of raw Indian hair vendors and have access to those. So if you guys want to see those videos, please subscribe, because I am about to start the ordering process from a few vendors so I can get this thing started for you guys, so you guys can have vendors already tested out by me, and then if you want them, they'll be in the description bar, and if you don't, then you can wait until I do another review on another raw hair vendor. So stay tuned for those videos coming up, you guys. They will be up as soon as I can get the hair and get, you know, some color added and things like that to the raw hair. So stay tuned for that, you guys. I have so much more coming. So much more coming. I'm so excited. September wig month is here. It is, I don't even know what day it is today, August something, but September is wig month, is the 1st of September through the 30th. All my wigs will be discounted on my website. All custom wig orders will be discounted as well. Email me if you want more information about getting a custom wig done for September wig month. Okay, you guys, don't forget to email me ASAP, okay? So I thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will see you guys in the next video, and hopefully you will be watching. All right, bye.